guys, and welcome back to Shelly's Homemade. And today guys, we're going to be making some breakfast tacos. Yes, some breakfast tacos. For our breakfast tacos, you're going to need some hash brown. Now you can grate your potato if you want, but I so happen to have these in the freezer, so we're going to use these. These are shredded hash browns. Okay, this is what we're going to use. We have some bacon. I have some fully cooked sausages, but you can get the sausages and ground them up. That would be great. You can use chorizo, whatever sausage you have on hand would be fine in this. I so happen to have this, so I'm going to use it. I have some taco blend seasoning. I have a whole dozen of eggs, 12 eggs here, a fourth of a cup of milk, some soft taco shells. I have onion, green bell pepper, and some scallions. I have the green top of the scallions on there. I have some garlic and Shelly's house seasoning. Of course, we can't do anything in this kitchen without some Shelly's house seasoning. Salt, pepper, seasonal, garlic, onion powder. But you can use your favorite all-purpose seasoning. Now, let's get started on this delicious dish. First thing we're going to do, we're going to whisk our eggs up. So I'm going to throw our fourth of a cup of milk right into these 12 eggs. Just like so. And we're going to whisk these eggs together. And we're going to whisk these and get them sitting on the side, out of the way, waiting on us. And then we're going to fry up that bacon, guys. We're going to move over to the stove. We're going to fry up that bacon. We're going to use that bacon grease to cook our hash brown. Then we're going to add our onions and bell peppers and scallions to our hash brown. Make sure you whisk this and get it all the yolks and everything beaten. Make sure you whisk this really well. This is going to make an amazing egg mixture. Alright. Okay, so that's done. Alright, let's move to the stove, guys. Alright, guys, we're here at the stove. Now let's add our bacon that I have cut into pieces. You want to get all that bacon in there and fry up really beautiful slices of bacon. Make sure you get your spatula or whatever you have in there. Move the bacon around. Make sure none of them is like really sticking to each other, because we want them to cook. Everything to cook evenly. And we want that bacon fat that to cook our hash brown in. Like I said, you can grate your own hashed potato and make sure that you put it in some water so it doesn't brown up. Grate that potato over top with some water, like right into there. It's going to help get rid of that starch and not allow your potato to oxidize. And what I mean by oxidize, I mean turn brown. Alright. So I'm going to get my bacon crisped up. And when I come back, I'm going to show you what to do next. Alright. So our bacon is ready to come out of the pan. I have a plate lined with some paper towel. I'm going to get it out of the pan. The bacon smells so good. Nothing hard about this recipe. So easy to do. Alright, so now it's time to add those hash browns. And because my hash browns are frozen, it's going to pop. But even if you did it, the regular ones, it's still going to pop. Alright, you want to line your pan with all of this hash brown. I'm going to put the whole bag in. I'm going to put the whole bag in, which is a 30-ounce, 1 pound and 14-ounce bag of hash brown. Smooth it down, just like that. Now to this, we're going to add some garlic. I'm going to add some garlic right on top. But we're not going to turn it. We're not going to do anything to it. We're just going to layer this stuff right on top. We're going to add our bell peppers, onion, and scallions right on top. Just like this. Now, you could do this in the oven. Just pop all of this stuff, just like this, right into the oven. And we're going to season it up with some Shelly's house seasoning. Just like this. Season the top. We're not going to move it. We're not going to do anything. We're going to let the bottom cook. And let the bottom cook. You got all your ingredients right on top. That's it. Don't do anything else to it. Don't move it. Don't move it for 3 to 4 minutes. Then we're going to flip it. Alright? Because it already has soaked up the oil in the bottom. Okay? All that bacon fat, that bacon grease, everything has been soaked up by these potatoes. Now we're going to leave it. And when we come back, we're going to add some more oil. We're going to add some olive oil. And we're going to flip it over. Okay, guys? Alright. Okay, so we're back. So, if you don't have olive oil, you could just use some vegetable oil, some avocado oil, whatever kind of oil you have. Just put it right on top. Like this. See? See, it's ready to be moved, and look at that. Beautiful. Right on the bottom. And we're going to do the same thing again. So I use my spatula. And it'll let you know when it's ready. You move. And then, just like this. Alright. Just like that. And we're going to come in, do the same thing again. And then we're going to add our bacon, our sausage. We're going to get all of that mixed in. Then we're going to cook our eggs in a separate pan. Okay, guys, let's go in again. See, it's allowing me to flip, so that means it's ready to be flipped. And they're starting to cook all the way through, guys. Look at that. Amazing. Now, let's add our bacon back into this. Our sausages, you can use whatever kind of sausage you have, whatever you like, your favorite kind. Turkey sausage, turkey bacon, beef sausages. Have fun with it. You know, I'm gonna dump this whole thing in here. And this is a 9.6 ounce bag. I'm gonna get it in there. So right now at this point, what we're doing is heating the sausages and the bacon all the way through. Our potato mixture. Like I said, you could have done this in the oven with the potatoes and the onion and everything. It would be great as well. Doesn't this look good already? You can just crack an egg right on top and just eat it like this, or just eat it plain. You don't even have to add the egg. So I use 8 strips of bacon chopped up. This 9 ounce bag of sausages, and these are those Jimmy Dean fully cooked sausages that cut some time. We didn't have to fry up no sausage. Alright, so when we come back, we're going to start on our eggs. Alright, so now we're going to add just a little olive oil in our pan and some butter. And the olive oil is going to help the butter not to burn. Okay. Now remember that egg mixture that I mixed with a little milk, a 1/4 cup of milk, and all of my eggs, and a whole dozen of eggs. And right down in this pan. Get all my egg mixture out. These eggs gonna cook quick. Look at that. Okay, so the eggs are starting to cook, guys. What we're gonna do now, hit it with some salt. Because we don't want to put salt in the batter before it starts to cook. Then you're going to end up adding more salt. So we don't want to do that. We're just going to use a pinch of some salt. And I have kosher salt that I'm using. So I'm using my whisk. Looks amazing. These eggs look amazing, guys. Look at that. I'm gonna get some delicious scrambled eggs. Tell me in the comment section how you guys like to scramble your eggs. Do you use water, or you just don't use anything at all? You use milk like I did? It's like a debate on the egg thing. Me and my sister used to have this debate because she put water in her eggs. I didn't like it. I like the milk. It makes them creamy and delicious. But you guys can use whatever you want. And these eggs are always yellow and beautiful. Look at that. It takes no time at all to cook up these eggs. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to set my eggs to the side, and I'm going to show you how to get that, how to warm up that floured tortilla shell. Alright, my eggs are done, and I'll be back. Okay guys, grab yourself a pair of tongs, roll these on there. You can do 3 of these at one time if you're comfortable. All this is going to do is loosen, is help the soft tortilla shell get pliable. Look at that. Alright, see, look, now you can use it. It's nice and warm. Alright. Do 3 more. Then I'm going to show you guys how to assemble these shells. But always grab you some tongs. You don't want to ever try to lift them with your hand. So throw them right on there. Make them pliable to use. And cover them with some paper towel, guys, until you're ready to use them so they can stay warm. Alright, so I'll be back. Alright guys, let's just give it a try. Oh, okay. So, I'll grab it out of my little taco dish. And I got these from Amazon. It was like maybe $3, $4. Oh yeah. Now if you want, you can throw some salsa on here. It would be absolutely amazing. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always guys, have a wonderful day. And I'm going to see you in the next video.